guys, I'm Jason, and welcome to the third episode of the Jason Info Show with a tech hack, an explainer, some new news, and a quiz at the end that you'll have to try and solve. Let's go. Alright, let's dive into some science. Today we're going to be talking about forces. A force is any push or pull on an object. When you kick a football, that's a force in action. Opening a door, that's a force too. And gravity pulling you down, you guessed it, that's a force. There are different types of forces around us, like gravity, which pulls everything down to Earth. Friction slows things down, like your bike tires on the road. And there's magnetic force, pulling or pushing magnets. And don't forget air resistance, slowing things as they move through it. Forces can make things stop, speed up, or change direction. Every movement you see happens because of a force. So next time you throw a ball or ride your bike, remember, you're working with forces. And now it's time for this week's news story. This week's news story is on Devon DeFreitas, aka Baby Dev. He was born on September 30th, 2021, in Elmont, New York. He's known for solving complex math problems at just 2 years old. Devon's love for numbers started very early, so early that in fact his first word wasn't mama or dada, but 7. His dad, Duane, remembers that when they showed him math shows at 4 months old, he would cry if the channel changed and stop when it returned. By the time he was 2, he could add, subtract, multiply, divide, understand Roman numerals, and solve experiments. In 2024, he released a book called Devon Loves Numbers, and he's been on loads and loads of shows, including America's Got Talent Season 19, The Kelly Clarkson Show, and CBS Morning Show. Here is this week's cool tech hack. Here, pretend you've closed the tab, full of years of research and data, and you're wondering, oh, how am I ever going to get that back? Then here's how to make it open again in just 3 steps. 1. Put your left pinky on control. 2. Put your left ring finger on shift. 3. Put your right index finger on T. And it opens up like nothing ever happened. I'll show you again if you missed it. If you accidentally close the tab, put your left pinky on control, put your left ring finger on shift, and put your right index finger on T. And it opens up like nothing ever happened. Now it's time for everyone's favourite part of the day. It's quiz time. If you enjoyed this episode of Jason Info Show, then make sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you enjoyed them, make sure to look at my other info show, which has a link in the description. I'll see you there. Bye!